Hello guys. Welcome back to the 6th tutorial on C programming. I am TechMiner here. Until now, we have been writing simple programs like printing any constant, printing value stored on a variable, asking input from user and other general programs. Now, we need to get a bit more advanced. So in this tutorial, we will be adding SmartNest to our program using if statement, nested if else and nested if else statement. We begin with if statement. If is a conditional statement. It's very easy to use. We use if just like we use it while speaking English in our daily life. Let me provide you an example. I am asking you, how old are you? If you say you are greater than 18 years old, I will tell you that you are eligible to cast vote. Let's put this example in our code. So, in this example, first I am asking you to enter your age. Then the compiler scans the input and stores it in variable age. The next statement is if statement. This statement checks the condition. We need to put condition inside small braces. Here we need to check the user entered age. So we put condition age is greater than 18. Now C checks, if age is greater than 18, then it will perform the block of codes that we have put inside curly braces of if. In this example, it will print, you are eligible to vote. Let's check output. When I enter here 16, it prints nothing, because if statement condition is not true. So it simply skips the block of code written inside if statement. But when I enter here 21, it prints the block of code inside the curly braces of if statement. Now what's nested if? If inside if is called nested if. I am editing this code slightly. Inside the curly braces of if statement, I am adding one more if statement. Let's add if age is greater than 19, print, you are not a teenager. Now in the output, we enter 19, we can't see anything. But if we enter 21, the message is displayed. We can add as much if as we want according to our needs. The next thing you need to learn is if else statement. In the first example, we see if we are greater than 18, it will print, you are eligible to vote. Now what if we want to print anything if the above statement is false? In such case, we write if else statement. Let's change the program. If age is greater than 18, print, you are eligible to vote, if not then print, you are not eligible to vote. So we add, else, print you are not eligible to vote. Let's check the program flow. If the condition is true, it will execute the codes inside the curly braces of if statement, if not, it will execute the code inside else statement. In the output, when we enter 23, it prints you are eligible to vote. But when we enter 15, it prints you are not eligible to vote. Just like nested if else inside if else is called nested if else. Look at the example closely. In the previous example, I have added if else inside the if statement to make it nested if else. Here if your age is greater than 18, only then it will check for 60. If your age is greater than 60, it prints, your age is greater than 60, else it prints, your age is in between 19 and 59. If your age is less than 18, it doesn't go for checking 60, it directly executes the block of codes inside else statement. Now what if we want to write multiple conditions? Look at this example closely. First we are checking for age less than 20, if this is valid, we print, you are less than 20 years. Now if it is false, we check next condition, that is, whether you are below 30. If it is true, then we print, you are in your 20s. If this condition is false, we print, you are greater than 30 years. We can see this in output. That's all for today, guys. If you have any queries, then comment below. And yes, don't forget to like this video and do subscribe my channel. Happy New Year. Thank you.